Today, we're gonna set fire to all that tea. It's gonna make a big, big flame. But you're gonna learn something. You're gonna learn something about how heat rises. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We're gonna set fire to some tea. It's gonna be really easy. For this project, you're gonna need 5 tea bags, regular tea bags, and something that's not flammable to put the tea bags on. And you're gonna need an ignition source, preferably a lighter. And most importantly, you're gonna need an adult to help you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, first thing I want you to do is you're gonna take these tea bags and you're going to take them apart, all right? Watch how I do it first. We've gotta take all of these apart. You pull the string off the top, just like that, set it aside. Then, we're gonna take that little metal part out. It's kind of like a staple, and it's in most of them, but it's really difficult to get out. Okay, then the last part is, we're gonna dump all this tea out, make it into a long tube, and then dump it all out. Make sure it doesn't go everywhere because this stuff is really, really powdery. Whoa, you see that? It's really, really powdery. And once you've got your tea bag ready, then you're gonna set it aside. Over here, let's make the rest of these. Now that we've got all of our tubes right here, we've got to make sure that we get rid of this tea, okay? So we're gonna go dump it in the trash can. Okay, now we dumped out our tea and we're ready to set it all on fire. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is where we need to get on our goggles. Ready? Can you take yours? It's right over there. And you have to make sure to get an adult to help you with this because we're working with fire, and fire can be very, very dangerous. And also, I don't know too many kids who can do this. Okay, so we're gonna make sure that we set all these up so that they don't fall over. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
We've got it all set up right here. Now, I'm gonna show you what it's gonna do first, okay?
Okay.
What you gotta do is light the very top of just the one in the front. Hopefully this will work, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh, it caught on fire. Okay, as it burns down, it's gonna get hotter and hotter and hotter, and all the hot air is gonna rise up out of the bottom, and once it doesn't weigh anything anymore, oh, it flies up into the air. Oh, it came down. Are you ready?
I caught it.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do all 4 at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, ha! Light, 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 light. They're all going down. Which one's gonna win? Here they go. Oh my gosh. Well, I think one's gonna fall over. No, no, that one's gonna win. They're gonna go up in order. Look. Oh, it was just a little bit out of order. Ah, they all went up into the sky. Look at that. And all the ashes come down. Wow, was that cool or what? Oh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We're gonna set fire to some tea, and it's gonna be really
40.